crafters. This is Jerry with Crafty Stash. And a few weeks ago, HSN had a free shipping deal, so I picked up some things prior to craft day, and these were on clearance, so they really were great prices. But this one was one that you can always have extra cards hanging around, and I also like to make cards in advance for people as gifts, and have a couple events coming up, and so I would like to make a few of these and other things and combine them and put them in a little packet for some friends for their birthdays or whatever the event is. So this was the Pop and Twist card making kit from Crafter's Companion. Has 288 pieces in it. And what's really nice about this, it makes 24 cards, and there are 6, I believe, different designs for this. Now I'm going to go through this. I've made up 3 of them. I'm going to do one, and then I'll show you the extras. I'm going to show you how to put it together. Very simple. Has the instructions right here as usual, and easy peasy. So let's go ahead and do that. And it also comes with the envelopes. Yay. That's wonderful. So they come in a sheet like this. They're all die cut. You just take them out. You get 2 sheets for 1 card. So you will have in that, and I'll show you, say 1 card, you will have the base card, which will be an A2 card, but it'll be this way. And then you will have lots of little pieces that will come out. You'll have a sentiment and a bunch of little pieces. Now you have about 2 or 3 that you can choose from. I figured on this, there's some that have extra pieces, it seems, but you usually have 2 larger pieces on that, and you can either put them in the front, put them in the back. There's not a lot of room to put once you see the completed one. There's not a lot of place unless you have some room here at the top, or you can turn it around and have this at the top. I like to have since this is both sides, I like to have and truly you can even reverse it. There is no front and back to these at all. So choose which ones you like the best, what ones you like the front, put your sentiment cards, pieces, and you're done. But let me show you how it goes together. Well, let me show you one that's done already. And this, congratulations, pop-up. So cute. And then I put the larger piece down here at the bottom, especially for you. But isn't that cute? I love how they pop. And if you've seen my channel before, I have lots of pop-ups. I have lots of dies for pop-ups. I have lots of kits for pop-ups. I love me a good pop-up. Okay, so if I can find the one that I had already put together here. So you have this piece. This is the mechanism piece. So what you want to do with this is fold it in half, and then it'll have an X here. You fold it to one side and burnish it, fold it to the other side and burnish it, and then it just makes a house. Here you go again. Fold it in half, you fold it one way, the X one way, fold it the other way, and burnish it really good, and then it will just pretty much naturally go to this configuration. Then what you want to do from here is put your adhesive. Now I've used double-sided tape. Use some really good double-sided tape. You can even put some liquid adhesive in between to make sure that it sticks. Put it on both sides of this triangle. And then open it up, and on one side, and I'm going to see here, I would say about a 1/2 inch in. I have my my ruler go? Yeah, about an inch in. On the top fold, you want to put your adhesive. And then on the next one at the bottom, underneath the fold, about an inch in, you want to put your adhesive. Okay? So again, top and the bottom. Now you can do it either other way, as long as they're on the opposite sides. Okay? And that will create your pop. So then you'll have your base piece. Decide which side you want. If you want this to be the inside, if you want this to be the front, you want this to be the back, whatever you choose to do. So what I would like to do is not use this piece here, even though it will show a little bit. I mean, you absolutely can. You can make this your writing place to from, you know, congratulations. Or you could do this side. Any which way you want to do this is all up to you. I'm going to make this the front, this the back, and this the inside. Okay, so you'll take this, open it up, and find the halfway mark. Now I'm going to take my adhesive off one side. Doesn't matter which. There is no right and wrong to this. Okay, so this one has the adhesive on it. I'll find my center, and just below that fold line, I'm going to put it. Now make sure you're centered properly and you're straight. And then you take this off here and fold it over. Done. Now you have your piece right here. Now you're going to take this and take your adhesive off one side, and then you'll have your popping up piece, which is this one here. Okay, fold it in half, take it off only one side, fold it in half, and center it right down the center here. Make sure that you're even on ups and downs. And then what you want to do is fold it like this. And if you haven't put your adhesive on, this would be the place you would do it. Don't go inside here. Make sure it's beyond this point. That's why I said an inch. So then you just take that, hold it down, pop it. Done. So you want to do this one as well. Oops, took all my tape off there. Don't you love all this tape stuff? If I could use liquid tape on this, I would. I prefer liquid tape, but it won't. It takes time to dry. So, okay, so you're flat, you're in the center, you got your adhesive. So what you're going to do is just help it a little bit, and there's your mechanism. You're going to fold it in. Make sure everything is done, and there you go. You got your pop. And make sure you got it right side up or upside down. As you know, it doesn't really matter because you can always make it work. So here I will put my Love Jerry on here, and then on the outside, on the front, I have the pieces someplace here. So I just, it comes with these 3 flower pieces, and I pop those up with pop dots. I chose which sentiment I wanted on the front. Have a wonderful day. Now you could put this up. It doesn't have to be centered. You could put it down. You can do it however you like. There are enough extra little pieces that you can put on. You can even pop this piece up if you wish. You know, and don't feel like you're only allowed to put these pieces on here. If you have a stash and you have, you know, some other tchotchke pieces, you want to put some flat backs on here, you want to put other Maybe you have some Prima flowers that you want to put on here. Feel free to do that. Don't feel that you only have these pieces to work with. Make it your own. Go crazy. And then right like that, and there you go. So this just shows you how easy it is to make these cards. Now I also made this one, Love and Surprises. Let's celebrate. Oh, I didn't put the sentiment piece on there. Let's put that on. And what I did with these is I folded them a little bit, and I put some pop dots on the inside, on the center. And of course, it's going to be a problem for me to get that out. I'll just do this for you. Do it, however you like. And I'm just going to put this kind of at an angle. Enjoy your day. And that has another little piece with a bird, and you can put it there, or you can put it on the inside. You can put them there. You put other sentiments in here if you like. You can put this up here. Do whatever you like. You don't have to go strictly by the book. So again, here's the other piece. This in yellow. This is basically green. This one's in purple. This one is really pretty. I love this with the cherry blossoms, I guess they are. And that's in blue, wishing you happiness. And then you have two others. This one is a purple base to it, and then there's this other one, and that's kind of purple as well. So there you go. Those are the Pop and Twist from Crafter's Companion, the kit there. And I will put down below the link to it on HSN if they still have it available. You can go to it and check it out there as well. You have on the 27th and 8th, 27th and the 28th, I believe, all day is craft day. So, ooh, don't tell my husband. Shh, he watches my videos. I can't get away with anything. Okay, you have a great day. Go craft. Bye-bye.